Hey guys, it's Aaron at Rich & Sons. Today we're going to talk about a camping tip. This is one of the first things that comes to mind, and it's about your appliances on the outside, getting your screen covers. So I just talked to one of our parts associates over there. They run anywhere from $15 to $30 depending on what size, what appliance you need. But what I'm talking about are just covers that are going to go over like your furnace. So they just snap on the outside here. It's going to prevent you from getting your wasp, getting your mud daubers, things like that could just cost you hundreds of dollars. I mean, like I said, those are $15 to $30, and I think the labor rate now is like $120. So to get that taken care of is you're gonna have to pull your entire furnace out. It's gonna cost you a lot of money. So like I said, just getting those to cover up your furnace. You can get one to cover up your water heater, and then if your camper still is running your RV refrigerator, it's gonna also have vents. You can get those covers to cover up that as well. Like I said, we have all of those covers in stock over at our parts department. Give them a call and they can definitely hook you up with those. Phone number is 308-384-2040. You guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you later.